Upscaling videos used to be an expensive, time-consuming process, but Adobe Firefly just made it ridiculously easy. With Firefly's AI Video Upscaler, you can now bring blurry, pixelated, or low-resolution videos back to life in 4K with just a few clicks. This is the best way to enhance your low-quality video clips, and I'll show you how in this Adobe-sponsored video. So let's head over to Firefly and see what the AI Video Upscaler can do. To access Adobe Firefly and follow along, go ahead and click the link in the video description. So here's the Firefly homepage. To access the Video Upscaler, the first thing we need to do is go over to the Video tab. Once you hover over the Video tab, you'll notice another menu pop up. From here, let's select the Generate Video option. This should open up the video generator on Adobe Firefly. At the top of the page, you should see the Edit tab. If you select this, it should take you over to the Edit Video page. Here's where we can use prompts to edit videos, edit frames, and of course, upscale videos. If you're a content creator or a filmmaker, you already know that adding a low-resolution video to a modern project is a surefire way to destroy your production value. But with Firefly, you can easily solve this problem. So to test out the AI Video Upscaler, I'm going to be upscaling various video types and testing out the various upscale settings. So to add the first video I want to upscale, let's select the Upload button at the bottom here. I can then find and open up the video that I want to upscale. So for the first example, I want to see how it does when upscaling a video of a tiger walking. If I play the video here, we can see it's a cool video, but it's super low resolution and looks a bit blurry. So let's see if we can use the Firefly AI Upscaler to upscale the video and bring back some of the intricate details. So now that I've uploaded my video, let's look at the menu here on the left-hand side and select the Upscale option. This should open up a menu at the bottom where you can select your upscale settings. Using the first drop-down menu here, you can select the partner model that you want to use to upscale your video. Currently, we can select the Topaz Astra model, but even more models may be available in the future. And using the next drop-down menu, we can select our enhancement settings. If you want the upscaler to keep the look of the original video while enhancing the details, you can select the precise option. But to give the AI upscaler more creative freedom, you can select the creative option. I want to maintain the exact details of my tiger, so I'm going to select precise. And from the next drop-down menu, we can select our optimization setting. If we select speed, it should generate faster, but if we select quality, it should fill in more of the details. But keep in mind, if you select quality for your optimization settings, it's going to cost more credits. For this first example, I think I'm just going to go with speed. And using the last drop-down menu here, we can select our output resolution. Currently, we can select from 1080p or 4K. Let's see how it does when generating a 4K video. When making your selection, remember that 4K will cost more credits than 1080p. So after you've uploaded the video that you want to upscale and selected your upscale settings, go ahead and go down to the bottom right and click the Generate button. AI will then analyze all of your settings and start upscaling your video. And keep in mind, upscaling videos takes a bit of time, so it may take up to 10 minutes or so. But once it's finished, your new upscaled video will be available in your preview. And here's my new upscaled tiger video. Let's play it and see how it looks. And as you can see, the resolution has been increased and the video looks much sharper. My original video looks like it was shot on a cell phone in the early 2000s, while my upscaled video looks like it was shot on a professional camera. I think this turned out great. So to download my new upscaled video, I can click the download button at the top, or simply hover over the video and click the download button at the bottom right. And my new upscaled video has been downloaded to my device, and I can use it with my next project. So we've seen how the AI performs when upscaling a video of an animal, but I also want to see how it does when upscaling people. So to add a new video to test the AI upscaler, let's select the Edit New button at the top left. You should now see the Upload button in the center preview. So let's select it and open up the next video that I want to upscale. So for the next example, I want to see how it does when upscaling this video of people celebrating at a carnival. We can see that it's a festive video, but the quality is just too low resolution to use with my projects. So to fix this, let's use the AI Video Upscaler. First, let's select Upscale from the menu on the left. And my upscale settings should now be available at the bottom. The Topaz AI model is already selected. And for my enhancement option, I want the people to look the same, so I'm going to stick with precise. But for my optimization setting, I want the AI to focus more on quality than speed, so the AI can focus more on enhancing details like people's faces. And finally, for my resolution, I'm gonna go with 4K. So now that I've selected my upscale settings, let's go down to the bottom right and click the Generate button. And AI should then start working its magic. And after about 9 or 10 minutes, my video has been upscaled. Wow, I can already tell from the preview here that the video looks much better. But let's play it and see how it turned out. As you can see, the video looks much more vibrant, and we can see all of the intricate details of the people in their faces. And this is definitely a huge upgrade from the original video. Everything looks upscaled precisely, and nothing's distorted. I think that turned out great. I can now download my new upscaled video and use it with my next project. But for both my tiger video and my people celebrating, I needed AI to upscale the videos with precision to get the exact details. But let's say you need to upscale a video where AI doesn't necessarily need to get every detail exactly right. An example of this is a nature scene, where it may be okay if AI doesn't get every leaf exactly the same as the original. So from the upscale menu, let's check out some of the other settings that we can select at the bottom. From the enhancement drop-down menu, instead of selecting precise like my last two videos, this time, let's select creative. This will provide creative liberties to AI to enhance the details of the original video. And now if we look at the next drop-down menu, we can select either the subtle or the bold details option. With subtle, it keeps the details closer to the original video, but with bold, it can add new details with a creative spin. For this example, I think I'll go with bold. So let's select 4K for my resolution, and then click the Generate button. And let's see how good AI does when upscaling this scene of a waterfall. And my video has now been upscaled, so let's play it and see how it turned out. And compared to the original video, my upscaled version looks much better. It's no longer blurry, and the details of the leaves and the waterfall are much clearer. So instead of deleting your old footage or low resolution videos, you can use Firefly to easily bring them back to life in 4K. To access Firefly and start upscaling your video clips, go ahead and click the link in the video description. And if you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.